Brandfolder's Content Delivery Network, or CDN, lets you embed rich media assets across different digital channels, such as a web page storefront or email ads. Using CDN links helps your assets load quickly and reliably by delivering them from the server closest to your audience. Begin by selecting General Settings from the Settings dropdown and switching to the Advanced tab to ensure CDN embed links are toggled on. Next, let's embed an asset using a CDN link. Inside of the Asset module, select the Embed tab. Here you can adjust the file type and size, or copy the attachment link. You can also copy one of the additional links, and copy links for any alternate custom crop settings for your established channels. You can also get a CDN link when cropping an asset. From the Overview tab, select Options, Export Options. Crop the image as needed, then copy the CDN link from there. Now that we have our link, let's embed it as an example in our Photography Guidelines page. The link can be utilized anywhere where HTML is used. After pasting the link, the image will automatically appear. One benefit of using CDN links from Brandfolder is that you can update the asset in Brandfolder, and the media automatically updates wherever it is embedded. If you navigate to Version History under the Workflow tab of the Asset module and update the attachment, then the embedded media is also updated. The Usage tab shows where the CDN link is used and how it is performing. If you are the account owner, you can also view CDN usage for your account by navigating to Manage Subscription under the Settings dropdown and selecting View Usage under the CDN field. That's how CDN embed links work. Use them to keep your assets reliable and always up to date. Learn more in the Smartsheet Help Center. Thanks for watching.